House of Rep don't come outside, come give us the latest banger. I will make I even start to misbehave self because this one make I give you a small. They have legalized the use of Indian hemp in Nigeria. Okay, I no shout. They don't legalize the use of Indian hemp for Nigeria. Shotigbo, he enter very well this time. Very good. And this one they come from what did they call that man? Spokesperson of the House of Rep, Benjamin Okezekalu. I don't know why they put honorable before his name. And he talked during a press conference on the benefits of opportunities of cannabis. And it happened for Akure. Make I go word by word according to what he talk. He said by 2023, the value of Africa's legal cannabis market will be worth $7.1 billion. Dollars. You understand? Now, wait till this man come outside and tell us. So as he be now, they don't ready to legalize. They don't ready to regulate. They don't ready to, you understand? Even license the whole Indian hemp. These people mean serious business. No, we don't know why they laugh. We don't know. Sorry, we don't understand. Already, as we did like this for Nigeria, we know they're all right. These people they call Adigbo inside the way. You don't understand. Our youths, normally our youths now, they go bananas, they go pineapple, they go watermelon without this Igbo. Now imagine how they go. Meaning say, hey, there is problem. Wahala dey. You go just wake up in the morning, say they go market. You will just see everybody they waka naked. All the gundus go they dangulu like this. Guys, oranges dangulu. No, you they try imagine the kind madness where this country go just become. No, just take 2 seconds and analyze the whole matter. Before, now then go come outside. They stress people. They go search you. If they catch you with the body, they go seize them. If they do this one, some of them say go even arrest you. Now they have seen the importance. They have seen the benefits of Igbo. Now they say last, Igbo don't turn the new crude oil for this country. And some of them go they tell me say, Madam Africa, there's no problem in Nigeria. No, you don't understand. If you like the picture, wait till the picture, una go laugh past the way they laugh. Una go laugh past the way no, just imagine. Boo. Don't you understand? You don't obey, you don't hate it. They say they can't give us speech. No, just picture. You understand? Now just kind things they my brother, why they laugh? I just imagine many things, many things. Our churches will call Pastor don't. I can't even go far. My people, the one where they wait for now. Yes, because very soon they will come outside. Legalize gun. Now wait till remain. May all of us kukuma they mad. May everybody just you don't understand. They go soon legalize gun. They go come tell us the benefits of holding gun. This one, that one. Nigeria now we they run anti-clockwise. I don't know what these people they copy. I beg, I don't understand. Who are these people's mentors? Like, who do they look up to? And they talk about our politicians. Who do they look up to? Who be their mentor? Because, Charlie, even like saying one babalawo, the ideas where they bring, you don't understand. No, this one will be from London. This one is not from Livam. I don't know whether these people, the people where they look up to they for Oshodi, Abi Ojo Elegba. I don't know, but I beg, if they watch me, you they give these people advice, stop her. No, you are causing more harm than good. Now they legalize India. Indian hemp is even small. What of Colorado? Una no go add that one inside so that you understand? Maybe they mix am. Una no like that. Abeg, I am not in support. I am not in support. Come and beat her in my house. I no dey in support. If you know say you dey in support of this one, write am there and give me your reason. Me, I don give you the reasons. Write am there. Why do you need a Nigeria? No, if na another country we fit start dey think am. Abeg, no forget say we dey talk about Nigeria. Anyhow, sha, I rest my case. Make una no come tell me say I'm the one doing bad belle for una o. This one, that one, o. That one, this one, o. Oh yeah, I've rested. But I hope say, una no go regret. I just dey hope. Because tomorrow na go still call me. Mama, hey, this one don't shele o. Hey, it don't happen. I don't tell her. It don't happen. Now here I go dey. Relax. My people, I still want to know what una think. Because una no say without una, I no get any reason to sit down here. So I best start dey drop am for that side as e dey hot. And make sure say you share this video. Make Nigeria know say Igbo, they are about to legalize it. Very, very important. And why not? Don't forget to subscribe. If not, me and you go get serious problem after. I dey joke. Now be my people. Now just click on that thing. Stay tuned for our next story.